Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CSJAS. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your December 2021 exams. Now, if you already don't know, I host free live classes daily on unacademy on the topic of company law at 7 p.m. So I'm here to announce another 2 special live classes on 3rd and 4th December on the topic of KMP. So part B of company law is a very important topic if you know the topics of company law. So on 3rd, we will revise the topic of KMP in detail. I am here to make you revise the topic of company law in detail. Definitely, I'll tell you the important topics, the important sections, and all the important things alongside the important amendments that came up in the topic of KMP. So I want you all to join my sessions, and the sessions are totally free. You can unlock my sessions by using my code CSJAS, and on 4th December, we will do the past year questions of KMP. Now you know that without past year questions, the preparation is never complete. So to seal the preparations, of course, we will do the past year questions. So again at sharp 7 p.m. make sure you join both the classes. दोनों ही classes के class link आपको description box में मिल जाएंगे. Click on that and press notify me ताकि आपको class शुरू होने से पहले एक notification मिल जाए and you join my class at time. I hope you all will join my session and ये sessions आपके लिए बहुत ही beneficial and बहुत ही fruitful होंगे. Looking forward to see you all in the live session at 7 p.m. Bye.